Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dua, Consultant Clinical Psychologist and a couple therapist. So, have you ever sat quietly next to the person you once loved so deeply and felt completely alone? Not angry, not even sad, just empty. If you are here today, something inside you already knows something doesn't feel right anymore. And the truth is, relationships don't suddenly collapse overnight. They fade, they crack silently, they weaken long before they officially end. And as a consultant clinical psychologist, I have worked with hundreds of individuals and couples, people who tried everything to save their relationships. Some made it, but many didn't. And not because they didn't love each other, but because they didn't recognize signs early enough. So today I'm going to gently walk you through the 7 psychological signs that a relationship may be heading toward divorce. Not to scare you, but to help you become aware and possibly save what still can be saved. And before we begin, I want you to know something important. If you are struggling in your relationship, you are not alone. I have created a confidential, deeply supportive online program where you can understand your patterns, heal emotional wounds, and learn how to rebuild or release relationships in a healthy way, okay? A safe space, no judgment, complete privacy, because sometimes you don't need advice, you need understanding. Now, and you will be given couple therapy too, and I'll teach you techniques how to resolve the issues, and you both can work together. If there is any disargument, you resolve that right there. So if you guys want to be part of that training program, it would be can be individualized, okay? So you guys can join that, okay? So just write an email to me or just comment below, okay? So we'll send you the details of the program. You can just mention your email address or things. We'll email you the details, okay? So emotional disconnection. The first and the most dangerous sign is emotional disconnection. This doesn't mean fighting. In fact, it's the opposite. You stop sharing, you stop explaining, you stop caring enough to even argue. You may still live together or eat together or even smile in front of others, but inside there is distance, a quiet gap that keeps growing. You start thinking, I don't feel understood anymore. I can't talk to them like I used to, and slowly your partner becomes a stranger. And psychologically, emotional connection is the foundation of any relationship, okay, in which is a very deep thing to understand, okay. Emotional connection is very necessary to have a relationship, okay, because when there is no emotional connection, then you guys can't feel each other and you guys won't think about each other, okay. So when it breaks, everything else starts collapsing, okay. Now the constant criticism and contempt. The second sign is the constant criticism, not feedback, and not healthy communication, but harsh, repeated attacks on personality. You always do this, you never understand what's wrong with you, and over time, this turns into something even more dangerous, which is contempt. Okay? Eye rolling, sarcasm, and disrespect. And this is one of the strongest predictors of divorce. Because once respect is lost, love struggles to survive. Love, care, and respect. Respect is the foremost element in the relationship. Then care, okay, and emotional connection. Okay, these are the core elements of a relationship. When you guys can't do understand each other, then this relationship can sustain. Okay, so feeling alone even together. Have you ever felt lonely while sitting right next to your partner? This is emotional loneliness. You may share a home, but not your heart. Okay, there is no warmth, no emotional safety. You hesitate to open up because you feel unheard or misunderstood, and slowly you start seeking comfort elsewhere. Not always another person. Sometimes distractions, work, social media, and anything to avoid the emptiness. Okay. So, avoidance instead of resolution. Healthy couples address issues, unhealthy patrons avoid them. And if conflicts are constantly ignored, postponed, or shut down, the problems don't disappear. They build, and eventually resentment takes over. You may hear, let's not talk about this, forget it, and it's fine. But that's not fine. Avoidance creates emotional distance, and distance leads to disconnection. Okay? Then the loss of intimacy. Intimacy is not just physical, it's emotional closeness, touch, affection, and presence. When intimacy fades, it often reflects deeper emotional issues. You stop holding hands, you stop checking in, you stop feeling desired, and over time, the relationship starts feeling more like a responsibility than a connection. Okay? So, this is when two people start living parallel lives. Okay? Different routines, different priorities, different emotional worlds. Okay, so you stop involving each other, you stop updating each other, and slowly the relationship becomes optional, not essential, and that's when the bond begins to weaken deeply. Okay, so one partner has emotionally checked out. This is the most painful stage. When one person has already given up emotionally, they may still be physically present, but mentally and emotionally they are gone. And there is no effort, no interest in fixing things, no emotional investment, and at this point, the relationship is at risk of ending. Okay, so then I want you to pause. Okay, take a deep breath. Okay, and ask yourself honestly, how many of these signs are present in my relationship? Because awareness is not the end. Okay, it's the beginning. Some relationships can be healed with effort, with understanding, and the right guidance. And some are meant to teach you and then be released. Both are okay, and what matters is you don't ignore your emotional reality. You don't stay stuck in pain, hoping things will magically change, okay? So if you feel confused, overwhelmed, or emotionally exhausted, you don't have to go through this alone. My online relationship healing program is designed to help you understand your emotional patterns, break unhealthy cycles, rebuild communication, reconciliation, and heal from emotional pain and make clear, confident decisions. Okay, and if someone is having any sort of personality issues or is having any such issues, so we can work on it. Okay, all in safe and confidential environment, because your story matters and your emotions matters and your healing matters. So in this video, touch this your heart, share it with someone who might need it. And remember, sometimes the hardest truth is the one that sets you free. Okay? So you deserve a relationship where you feel seen, heard, and valued. Okay? So if you guys haven't subscribed, first just go and subscribe my channel, like the video, and don't forget to comment me below what you are experiencing, what you want, and if you guys want to be part of my program, you can mention your email address. We'll connect with you. Okay? So don't feel alone, I'm always here for you. Okay, so you are not alone. More power to you. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye, everyone.